BBVA Business Platinum Card, Spain app. The pros, the cons. The surprising truth about the BBVA Business Platinum Card is that it's not just a high-status card. It's designed to give Spanish business owners control, flexibility and rewards while simplifying expense management. Let's start with the pros. Card comes with a generous credit limit, interest-free periods on purchases and global acceptance, making it perfect for international business trips. The BBVA app adds huge value. You can track transactions in real time, manage multiple employee cards and set spending limits. Expense reports can be automatically generated, saving time and reducing accounting headaches. Reward points are earned on almost all purchases, which can be redeemed for travel, corporate services, or even statement credits. Premium insurance is included, covering flights, rental cars, and business equipment, giving peace of mind when traveling abroad. Now, the cons. The annual fee is higher than standard business cards, and some small local vendors may prefer debit payments. Additionally, while the rewards program is solid, it's not as extensive as some international premium cards, so businesses that travel less might not fully leverage the benefits. Overall, the BBVA Business Platinum Card combines premium perks with practical tools for business efficiency. It's particularly strong for companies with frequent travel, multiple employees, or a need for streamlined expense tracking. In short, if you're looking for a card that provides control, flexibility, and a touch of prestige, the BBVA Business Platinum Card Spain app is worth considering. It's more than a card, it's a digital assistant for your business finances.